Welcome to another recipe. Let's see what we're cooking today. If you enjoy our cooking, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon notification button. Here's a list of ingredients we will need for today's recipe. We'll begin by taking some oil, adding it to our pan. We're going to warm this up, and then go in with our garlic. We get a nice color on the garlic. Go in with our tomato and basil sauce that we have. You can buy ready-made, or you can use tin tomatoes and blend basil with it to make a fresh sauce at home. So that goes in. Let's stir that. Go in with crushed chili flakes. Mix that in. Salt to taste. Give that a stir. Our flame stays on medium to high. Go in with water. Now we'll reduce the flame down, put the lid on and let it simmer for 15 minutes. We'll take a pan, add some oil. Go in with garlic. We're going to cook our chicken separate in this. Now we add our chicken in. And we just want to cook the chicken. So we keep stirring it and moving it around. Make sure it cooks through. Once it's half cooked, we'll add salt. Give that a little mix. Then we'll go in with black pepper. Mix that in. And as you can see, the chicken's released its juices. We want to evaporate the juices and make sure the chicken's dry. Once that's happened, we'll go in with green peppers. Add those in. Lemon juice. You can replace that with vinegar if you want. Give that a mix. And that's it, our filling's ready. We'll put that to the side. Bring our sauce back. Turn the flame to high. Once the sauce is bubbling, we'll go in and add our chicken. We'll add all of the chicken in. We'll put our lid on and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, what we'll do is we'll boil our pasta. So you want to take water, salt, bring it to the boil, and then go in with our pasta. You can use any shape of pasta. The same basic procedure of boiling pasta. We'll add our oil in as well. We'll just boil the pasta. Once it's boiled, we'll put it to the side, wash it with cold water so it stops the cooking process. Then we'll bring our sauce back onto high heat. As you can see, it's reduced down. and then we'll add our pasta in there. All we need to do is mix the pasta into the sauce. And once it's all mixed in, the dish is ready. Then we can serve it up. We'll take a serving dish, add our pasta to it. The colors come out quite nice on this. Looks really nice. We'll add our cheese on top. It's optional. I'm using quail eggs as well for a bit of garnish. I have to use these. A bit of fresh coriander. That's it, the dish is ready. Please try it out. Let us know in the comment section how you got on with it. And thank you for watching.